Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. For today's lunch, I have a salad. I love salads, they're my favorite. You can top it with so many things. I have some cucumbers, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts. These are oven roasted Brussels sprouts. I have some cheese on top. And I'm also going to add some pork. I'm gonna add some pork on top. That's it for today's lunch. I'm just gonna read a book. This is a new book that I started reading called Verity. It's really good so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.